Hi, friends. Do you like that? Friends, not guys, but you guys are guys too. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we recently went back to California to celebrate the upcoming birth of our baby boy. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you along for the week and show you the preparation for our baby shower. So I'm excited to share. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It not only lets me know what you guys like seeing, but it also helps to support my channel and my videos, and I appreciate it so much. Also, if you do give this video a thumbs up, you are halfway done with entering today's giveaway, so check my info box for all of the information and the rules. And with that being said, let's hop right in. All right, so we're starting off this video at one of my OG favorite spots in Santa Clarita. That's actually where I'm from. To those of you that don't know, it's a town within Los Angeles County, and I lived there basically my entire life. So this place is called Tea Gardens, or maybe I think they technically changed it to like TLC, but I am obsessed with this place, not only because it's super cute and quaint and cozy, but they have the most incredible butterscotch scones that I like to get with cream. They have other baked goods, and the meal that I order there, by the way, if you're interested, is Michelle's Melt with light tuna, and I basically get double the side salad because I am so obsessed with their Mimi's dressing. It's like a mustard based dressing, and everyone that tries it is addicted to it basically. It's so good. On this day, I went to Tea Gardens with my sister-in-law, Marlene. Marlene is actually married to Dan's brother, Chad. They are whose house we stayed at on this trip, and on this day, Dan volunteered to watch Isiah, Marlene's son, while we went and had some girl time, and we took our time. I think we spent like 3 hours there. It was great. When we got home, by the way, I had to show you how cute this was. Dan and my nephew, Isiah, were on the floor just cuddling and recovering from a walk. Dan took Isiah to walk up and down the street. It was a lot for him. I think there was like a little trip and fall. And then they just kind of hung out, which, can we talk about how cute he is on this rocking horse? I feel like he was just born yesterday, man. Time flies. I can't get my head around it. I thought I would capture one of the family activities we tend to do when we visit them, and that's playing this game called Pasoy. I think it's basically like Filipino poker is what I've heard the boys say. Isiah was not welcome, and he was not happy about that, to play the game, especially because we had the jumbo cards out, which have the strangest faces on them. I don't think I got footage of that, but yeah. The real question is this considered baby torture? I don't know how I'm gonna not squeeze my baby's face all day, every day. So on this night, we actually went out to dinner because it was Marlene's dad's birthday. And I thought Kaylin, who's like my fake niece, kind of my niece, not really my niece, she's Marlene's sister's daughter, and Isiah looked so cute together. They clearly love each other. By the way, for some reason, we all thought it was a really good idea to dab. I don't know. Apparently, we're going back in time. Is dabbing even a thing anymore? It is in this video. So I wanted to show you how beautiful the drive is to my parents' house. They live in this valley, basically like this bowl. That's kind of what all of Santa Clarita is. And my parents had let us borrow their convertible for the trip, so we didn't have to rent a car. And actually, we switched between 2 different cars while we were there, but the convertible was so fun to drive around on the day where the weather was beautiful and the air was clear. And we just made our way over to my parents' house to see the doggies. Oh, And we basically just started the setup for the baby shower. So my mom is extremely creative. If you've never seen my mom's house before in my vlogs, prepare to be amazed, because she's so artistic and creative and set up like 80 to 90% of this baby shower without even having to buy any decor, which was great for me because I really wanted to keep the shower on a pretty tight budget. I had to get some dancing shots of Kendall and Melissa. If you don't know Kendall and Melissa, they actually work with me on all things internet. I actually work with a few different people on different aspects of like our internet business. And these girls have been working with me for years now. So in the process of setting up the shower, we needed to find some baby pictures. My mom is very much like me. Like, she just kind of has a box where she keeps everything together. But it hasn't exactly been gone through or like super categorized yet. So we all kind of dug through the photos and found a bunch of old family photos, which was really fun to see. By the way, that is my grandma. How beautiful is she? She was a legit model, and looking at these photos, I'm like, no wonder you were a model. That picture of Shayna is everything, and this glamour shot of my mom is also everything. So yeah, we just kind of went through the photo bucket. Look at how cool and stylish I am. Yes, I was a natural blonde growing up. And honestly, like, seeing these pictures of myself compared to the ultrasound that we have of baby P, I see my nose and his as being like identical. And I'm just so curious to see if I'm gonna see him and be like, that's me, that's my nose. I know he's half Dan, obviously, too. This is just something that has only really recently occurred to me. Like, he's probably gonna look like me too, because he's partially me. So this is actually what the photos were being used for, was this little like baby photo hanger banner thing to show us when we were kids. It was super cute. That is my dad. If you haven't seen him in other videos, love you, Dad. Shout out to you. And they have 2 Boston Terriers that are so cute. And we actually joke that part of what makes them so cute is that there's 2 of them. Then I got this casual footage of Shayna helping set up the party. Shayna came with us, by the way, from Nashville. Like, she traveled with us on the plane. She's got dance moves for days, son. So as the day went on, my other sister, Michelle, and Marlene, and Michelle's boyfriend all made their way over to the house to help contribute to setting up the shower. And it really was cool. I know I make my living on the internet by like being the center of attention, but in real life, it actually kind of makes me like not uncomfortable, like a lot of emotions, like teary-eyed, grateful, in shock, just that people would take their time to come together to celebrate with us. And so it was really sweet to see family and friends coming together to help set this up. By the way, how beautiful is that? I can't wait for you guys to see everything when it's fully set up, because it came together so well. So we're gonna insert this random shot of Isiah eating, just because, I mean, I gotta be honest, I just thought it was really cute to see a baby eat in such a reckless way. I can't wait to watch my baby be such a slob when he eats, because it's the cutest thing ever. So, all right. Fast forward, guys, this is the day of the shower. So I was just getting ready, curling my hair. I get a lot of questions, by the way, as to what I've been doing differently with my hair, and literally nothing. I style it exactly the same way that I've styled it for years, which is just curling my hair different directions. It's just that my hair has gotten longer and healthier the farther I've gotten away from when I went blonde years ago. But then at the same time, I've actually slowly added a little bit of like lighter color back into my hair, which I think has made my hair appear thicker. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in there. So I did all my hair and makeup, and then we made our way to my mom's house to start preparing the food. So Shayna and I were working on cutting off the crusts to make proper cucumber and cream cheese sandwiches. And so we did all those. And then we ended up making these croissant chicken salad, orange marmalade sandwiches. And we kind of made a little conveyor belt. Like, I'm not gonna lie, as more people showed up and we figured out like, okay, you're gonna cut the bread. Okay, you're gonna scoop the chicken salad. You're gonna spread this. It ended up getting really fast the farther we went along. So we spent maybe half hour, an hour building sandwiches as a team, making, Melissa was making iced tea. My mom was making other sides for the party as well as dinner for that night, because we were actually gonna have family dinner that night after the baby shower. And yeah, we just made those sandwiches, man. Like I said, I'm really excited for you guys to see the actual shower, and that's not going to be in this video, even though this is about the point where I stepped away to go change and get dressed for the shower. So coming very soon will be the baby shower, and I can't wait to share and show you guys. I know I've said that like 7 times and I'm just gonna stop elaborating, but yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check the info box for today's giveaway, which my giveaways are always my way to say thank you to you guys for all of your support. It means so much to me, and I'm so glad that you guys still like my videos. Like, after all of these years, it makes me so happy when I get comments from you guys letting me know what it is you like about my videos. So yeah, I will hopefully see you guys back here very soon with another new video. Hopefully it'll be the baby shower video next. And that is all. All right, bye guys.